Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a nickname on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app. Tap on the Me option from the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on your profile from the top of your screen. Here, you can see the tickle option. Tap on it. Enter the nickname that you want to set. Finally, tap on the OK button to save the changes. And that's it. This is how you can set a nickname on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.